This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Maria Torres. Upgraded, stunning, dream home. This 2-story Sorrento model offers the perfect family living space with 5 bedrooms plus den, office space, and 4.5 bathrooms. This home features an open floor plan with beautiful high ceilings, impact windows, 2 separate garages, a 1-car and 2-car garage, a spacious kitchen area with quartz countertops, a large island with a seating option, a walk-in pantry, a second storage closet, a coffee station, and a breakfast nook. The first floor showcases a beautiful porcelain floor, an upgraded, elegant, but cozy dining room with an accent wall, an incredible, eye-catching main living room with a 20-foot accent wall from the high ceiling to the floor with an 80-inch built-in electric fireplace, and a beautifully renovated half-bathroom. The 2 big impact window sliding doors in the breakfast nook and the living room give the whole area the perfect lighting. On your way to the second floor, you will see the beautiful vinyl floors, the upgraded glass stair rails, and an open overlook of the whole kitchen and living area. 4 bedrooms, a spacious master bedroom with 2 separate walk-in closets, his/hers, with closet system shelves and drawers, and an upgraded master bathroom with separate vanities and a beautiful walk-in shower, and 3 guest bedrooms, one of them with its own bathroom, and a spacious loft that connects with one of the bathrooms. This Timber Creek resort-style community offers an incredible clubhouse entertainment area, with pools, a kids' water park, a restaurant, a bar, a conference/party room, a gym, a sauna, kids' playrooms, a covered basketball and volleyball court, a playground, a tennis and pickleball court, and more. Located in one of the most desirable areas to live in Fort Myers, close to the international airport, shopping centers, schools, and I-75. Do not miss this opportunity to find your dream Southwest Florida home. For more information, review the details below.